If you want to land clients on Upwork, but you have no idea where to start, or you've already tried and got zero results, you're in the right place. This channel exists for two reasons. One, to document my journey, and two, to give you a clear, honest, step-by-step system for getting your first client on Upwork. No fluff, no vague advice, just what actually works for me. My name's Gavin. I've spent years figuring out what it actually takes to win clients on Upwork, and more importantly, how to teach that to other people so they can do the same thing. I've seen people spend weeks sending proposals and getting nothing back. Not because Upwork doesn't work, but because nobody gave them a proper system to follow. That's what I'm here to fix. Here's what most people do when they want to become a freelancer and they want to try and start generating really an income from Upwork. They Google it, they watch a few videos, they set up a profile, send some proposals, and hear nothing. So they assume the platform is saturated. They lower their rates or they just give up. But the platform isn't the problem. The problem is there's no clear process. Every piece of advice is scattered, contradictory, or is just too vague to actually use. And when you don't have a system, every day without a client feels like you're doing something wrong. On this channel, I break down exactly what it takes to go from zero to your first client on Upwork, along with just giving general advice on how to be a freelancer and how to run an agency. We're talking about how to set up a profile that actually converts on Upwork, how to identify the right jobs to apply, and how to write proposals that get opened and responded to. And we're going to do it all in a way that's simple, practical, and works even if you've never freelanced before. This channel will break all that stuff down. But if you want to go faster than just running or watching videos on YouTube, I also run a program called Land Clients on Upwork. It's a 90-day step-by-step community inside a platform called School, and I document and show you the entire process of how to get clients using Upwork as a medium. Everything is structured. Every week you get a new module, you know exactly what to do and when to do it, and you also get calls with me to discuss how you can improve and start getting clients off of the platform itself. In the same 90-day community, you're gonna have weekly calls. There's a whole bunch of value in there. If you're new here, first of all, subscribe to the channel, bunch of value. But if you wanna learn how to start landing clients on Upwork, there is a link in the description of this video. Click that link and it'll take you to a page where I'll talk a little bit more about the offer I have. Anyway, we'll see you there. Thanks for watching.